Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic. Princess.
Back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back at it again with a new slay. And actually for today's video we're gonna do like a quick, it's gonna be a very quick tutorial slash review. Today I'll be reviewing the Almighty Lace Bond Glue. I think that's what it's called, by Kiss. That's what it looks like. So I'll be reviewing this today and unboxing with you guys. So this is what the box looks like. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like, cute and organized. So inside of here you'll find this card. This just says Kiss Revolutionary 2-in-1 Almighty Bond Duo Tip Applicator is here. It's here, sis, period. So inside the box you will find these two goodies, and this is the tip applicator. So let me go ahead and open this up. So ooh, I actually love how small this is. This is what it looks like. Let me focus so you guys can see. I actually really do appreciate how small this is because it's perfect to travel with. Just fit in my purse, on a go, perfect. But yeah, this is what the glue looks like. So basically this glue has two sides to it, okay? This side right here is the silicone side, and this one is supposed to like help you. You know how you apply glue on your forehead and you have to use like a wooden stick or like a comb to like flatten it to make sure that it's all laid out? This part right here, the silicone part, ooh, it's actually really squishy, it's soft. So this part right here helps you like lay the glue down. So you press it and the glue will come out. Let me see, don't squirt on me now. Okay, so you press it like this and the glue comes out, and then you like apply it on your forehead. So the silicone helps it like flatten out the glue, so you won't have to like use your combs. Because let me show you guys, where are my combs at? I be using my toothbrushes to like lay out my glue and stuff, and they all be getting dirty. Like look, it's glue all over this. It be so irritating. So I really love how they added that touch in there. It's really thoughtful because Lord know we all need that. So that's what the first side looks like. Let me show you guys the second side. So the second side is without it. It's just like a regular, that's what it looks like, and it's actually smaller, which I think is perfect for like touch-ups. So let's say you went all day, you already applied your wig and all that using the silicone side, and like you've been out partying and you need to like touch it up, apply some more glue. You could just use this part. See how small this is? This will literally get to the smallest areas with no problem, without like, you know, getting messy. So this side would be perfect for touch-ups. So I really love that. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and apply my wig. I'm wearing this dreaded braided wig today. That's what it looks like. I'm about to go ahead and apply it using my Almighty glue. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off really quick. You guys know I hate cutting the lace off on camera because girl, I be taking too long for no reason. The wig is on and I'm about to go ahead, let me tie this up really quick so I can apply the glue. This wig is like really heavy. It's really full and heavy, so I needed a glue that's gonna like, you know, really hold the weight. Let's go ahead and try this out and see how it works. So I'm gonna be using the silicone side. So you press it and the glue comes out, and I'm gonna show you guys. Well, matter of fact, we're doing this together. This is my first time doing this. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing. I really don't. Go ahead and take my glue. I like to do the corners first, so I think I'm gonna start on this side. You see how it just easily applies it and just spreads it out for you, so you don't have to use any other tool. Yes ma'am. So we're gonna let that dry. So the glue is already starting to get sticky, so I'm about to go ahead and apply my lace, starting with the sideburns area. I really like how the glue dries like seem like you can see the glue. This dries clear so you can't see the glue at all. So now that the wig is on and glued, so I'm gonna go back in with the precision tip to clean up the areas that's like glued. So my baby hairs are all over the place, like it's getting messy. It's getting messy. I'm gonna need you to move, period. Okay, so press it, it comes out. I'm trying to be like careful because my baby hairs is all over the place and I don't want to get glue on them. Okay, gonna leave it up a little bit so it can dry. I really love the fact that as soon as it dries, like it sticks, and also it says that this glue is waterproof, so I'm pretty sure till I remove it you're gonna have to use alcohol or something. But what I really love is that you can't see the glue. Like, it doesn't look dirty, it doesn't look ashy. I love that. Yes, look at that, seamless. This was the easiest install that I've ever done. The easiest and cleanest install that I've done, honestly. See how clean this looks, and it was just so quick. And all I use is one product, just one, just like that. Let me go ahead and finish my hair. Okay, so I gotta apply some more right here just to clean up this area right here and make sure that it's good. Yes ma'am. I'm just using this comb to like press it down because I don't want to touch it with my fingers because the baby hairs keep getting stuck everywhere. I need to cut them. If the baby hairs weren't in the way, I wouldn't even have to like use this, honestly, but I'm trying to make sure the baby hairs don't get all over the place. So yeah, so yeah, the wig is glued down. I'm about to go wash my hands because I got glue all over my fingers and then come back into my baby hairs and we'll be done. The final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys could see, we did so good today. Like, are you serious right now? Like I was saying, I really love the fact that this glue leaves like a clean look. Like, it's no crust, no flakes, no frosted flakes. I'm corny, I'm sorry. Anyways, like I was saying, I really love that it leaves your frontal, your lace looking really clean and neat. I mean, like, this came out amazing. So go ahead and get you one of these, this Almighty Bond period, because it's really bomb and I think you guys are gonna love it. Yeah, I really love this glue. So I'm glad I have two because I have a travel one and one for the house, and I'm actually about to travel tomorrow, so I'm really excited to be using it on my whole trip. Shout out to Kiss for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check them out. I will have all their links down below where you could purchase yours and everything, so make sure you guys get you one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.
Hit me with all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.